Hi, this is Elliot Eisenberg of American Pacific Mortgage, here to catch you up to date on the latest in residential sales data and activity. When I look at the housing market, I look at several variables to get a feeling of what's going on. The first one I look at is inventory, and it's really tight, making it hard to buy a house. The second thing I look at is interest rates, and they're pretty high as well, mid to upper sixes, making it hard to buy a house. It's because the economy's strong and inflation's a bit too much, and therefore the Fed keeps raising rates. The third thing I look at is sales prices, and they're doing interesting things. Overall, across the country, sale prices aren't doing much, but there's a divide going on. In the western half of the U.S., prices are flat to declining. In the eastern half of the U.S., if the Mississippi River is the middle of the country, they're flat to going up. The 10 states that are experiencing the fastest price declines, west of the Mississippi River. The 30 cities with the fastest price declines, all west of the Mississippi River. So that's important to keep in mind. Location really matters. The other thing, but that's making it harder because prices are still relatively high, even in the western half where they're coming down. But there's a saving grace. What's going on in the new construction market is fascinating. Because there's no inventory of existing houses, home builders are really building a lot of houses. And as a result of that, they're going to come on the market and hopefully put a damper on prices and make inventory more available. As a matter of fact, the percentage of homes that are available for sale that is new is now 32%, among the highest in history, the percentage. So if you're looking to buy a house, double the historic average. And if you're looking to buy a house, don't forget to look at new homes. Moreover, there's a large pipeline of homes that were started over the last while, but couldn't get completed because of COVID breakdowns in supply chains and hard to get workers and so on. Those homes are also going to come on market now. So there's going to be a lot of new homes coming on the market, mostly new, mostly single fam, some multi-fam, but this will put a damper on prices and make it more available to buy a house, which will help home buying. Last but not least, there's the issue of this potential recession. And if you're thinking of waiting till the recession hits to buy a home, I would caution against it. First, there's no guarantee the recession will come. So far, the economy has been very resilient. Secondly, and this is important also to remember, the recession may well be not all that bad. As a matter of fact, I suspect that if it comes, it will be a mild garden variety recession, nothing like 08, 09. Moreover, when the recession comes, there'll be conflicting patterns of price pressures. On one hand, people will say, oh, it's a recession, I don't want to buy a house, I'm afraid. On the other hand, interest rates will come way down, and people that have put off buying a house because they don't want to pay the high rates will jump in. Those factors will probably cancel each other out. So even if the recession comes, I don't think it matters much for housing at all. That's it for now. I look forward to seeing you very soon.